Today I will be telling you all about keto meal planning. I will go through some ideas for breakfast, lunch and dinner, as well as some snacks to ensure you don't get hungry and stick to the keto diet. If you are new to my channel and wish to join the What is Health family, hit the subscribe button and let's go on a journey in empowering ourselves with the tools we need to get healthy and lose weight. Okay, let's get into the details of the keto diet meals. The first meal of the day, breakfast, surprisingly has some tasty meal options. Monday, omelette with cheese and tomatoes. Tuesday, keto milkshake. Wednesday, eggs with bacon and mushrooms. Thursday, eggs, tomato, goat cheese and basil. Friday, keto eggs and sausage muffin. Saturday, cauliflower rice with fried egg, sliced tomato and half an avocado. Sunday, bulletproof coffee or one of the meals above. As you can see, I have included a different breakfast every day. But if you really love two of the above only, it's okay to rotate them as long as you stick to the diet long term so you can get the desired weight loss. The next meal of the day is lunch. I will again go through different meals for each day, but of course you can pick and choose which best suits your needs and meal preparing time frame. This will essentially give you a meal prep for the week. Monday, shrimp salad with avocado and olive oil. Tuesday, cheese chicken melt with lemon asparagus. Wednesday, bun-less burgers with fried zucchini wedges. Thursday, egg salad, lettuce wrap. Friday, grilled chicken salad with keto ranch dressing. Saturday, a handful of nuts with guacamole and salsa. Sunday, peanut butter and almond milk milkshake with stevia. Okay, so that's given you 7 days of lunches, and if you don't like any of these, then just substitute the meats, or only rotate the meals that you like throughout the week. Okay, now it's dinner time, and I will now give you the keto meals for dinner. Monday, salmon with cauliflower rice and roasted broccoli. Tuesday, keto chicken enchiladas. Wednesday, meatballs with vegetables and cheddar cheese. Thursday, pork chops with broccoli, parmesan and salad. Friday, stuffed chicken with cheese and vegetables. Saturday, steak with mushrooms and salad. Sunday, salmon with asparagus cooked in butter. Okay, that's the keto meals sorted. Now let's look at a couple of keto prep for the week snacks. Beef jerky, string cheese, nuts, stevia sweetened dark chocolate, seaweed snacks, avocados, sardines, pepperoni slices, iced coffee, kale chips, olives and cherry tomatoes. I hope this has given you a few ideas on what meals you can eat on a keto diet. The meal preparing for the week should be a little easier now, and keep in mind when preparing for weight loss, there is no cheating and changing ingredients. For more ideas on the best keto diet for beginners, check out my video. Thank you for watching. On to good health.